welcome to a brand new video idea. And wait, oh, ow, Jeremy, ow, come on. You're the star of my other, like, 14 videos. Like, bruh. Oh, I swear. Did he seriously just stop walking? It's called spawn killing, sir. Okay, well then, we have to run from Jeremy now. He seems mad. I know you weren't in the end of my other video, Jeremy. It was because I needed, like, more ideas. Like, my past few videos were just of T-Rexes and other games that were boring. Like, dude, just stop trying to be the whole big idea of the video. You've been in too many of them.
Get over here!
Okay. Now that he's dealt with, I can go do other things for other videos. And I don't think he's getting up. He's gonna, like, drown in the water. Is this a hot dog sale? I can't tell. I don't know. I'm gonna go in here. Alright. There's not much in here. Oh, it's like cooking utensils. Right. And here I can, like, where is it? I can't reach. What? Oh, Jeremy! Jeremy, please! No! Man! Well, I thought you were drowning! Gosh. Come on. I always have to jump through these windows. I mean, it's like... it's private property, man. I think Jeremy's gonna get himself, like, stuck lost inside of there, so... you know, I think we can just chill. And no, I'm not taking the deuce. I'm just sitting on the toilet. Not that weird. What is that noise? Like, where did he put it? Oh yeah, it's chair. Okay, chair. What's that? Alright, Jeremy, I thought... Alright, come on. What the heck are you doing, Jeremy? What is it? Whoa. 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 Ah! Holy crap. Jeremy. Lizard. What the? Oh, crap. No. Double check the screen to save me. Open that. So, yeah. I think Jeremy is very. It doesn't take too kindly to be here. Well, this place has a metal door. I might be able to escape it. I only have so long. Stupid thing. No, not the plank! Through there. Yes. 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 Yay! Survived our 3-second demo. Just pretend I'm like Connor Kenway in this room right now. Going through it, you know? He's my favorite Assassin's Creed character, but the top of my, whole profile or whatever. No, my channel page is Ezio because nobody likes Connor Kenway apparently. I should probably keep running, but he's kind of like. He sounds pretty stuck, so I think we can just chill for a minute. Catch my breath. I really want to play Overgrowth for a video, but that game's just way too glitchy on my computer. Yeah, my computer's like, well, it's less of a computer, more of a game. It's just. I just pushed over this entire train, man. Wow. How persistent are you, Jeremy? He climbed over it. He climbed over it. Okay. And Barrage. Go high and cry like a little baby.
Oh yeah!
What the heck did you just do, Jeremy? Oh. Alright, I guess we escaped Jeremy now, so there's no need to cry like a little baby in a corner. Just gotta escape sometimes. I need to like open the path or whatever.
Oh no!
No, no! Ouch. That's what I meant to do. I'm supposed to hit the measure this way. Oh, they're coming for me. Okay, I think I can end things. Yeah. So, I think that might be the end of the video, guys. I mean, I know I said I didn't want Jeremy to be our newest video idea, but, I mean, it's Jeremy. And he, like, I don't know, he started having a seizure and violently convulsing in there, so I think we're fine. Just gonna go in this one house, take a nap, because I don't know how else to end the video. But yeah. Alright, thank you for watching other cringy exiting the video YouTuber things, and yeah.